What do you think about that broccoli, Lainey? Is it yummy? Yay, broccoli! Yay, broccoli! I think you have some up your nose. Let's see if we can get a shot of that up your nose. Broccoli up your nose? Good job! Veggies are good. Why don't you try the chicken? Try that chicken. Chicken. Want to try chicken? Try chicken. No. Broccoli's good. Broccoli. Num num.